Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your... Boy, you know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another hair review, another wig review, and you know one of my favorite wig companies sent me another wig. I love Klaiyi. They have one of the best kinky, straight, natural hair textures. It's so wearable. It looks like it's growing out your scalp. So they sent me another one and we're gonna play around with it today. I have done some videos on Klaiyi. I believe this is my third video. So you guys know that this is the truth. It's my favorite hair company to work with. So we have a package right here. So let's open her up. So obviously we always get some goodies, so we're gonna go over the goodies that's in the packaging. A wig cap, you get a headband, obviously, and this one is a really nice one. It's nice and stylish. Got some lashes. Then you have two clips right here, which we're gonna use today. And then you got some faux nails. I have done videos on Klaiyi's hair. I will leave all the videos that I've done in the description box down below if you guys are interested in watching. This is their 5x5 HD Blend-Away Yaki Straight wig. It's natural black and it is in the length 24. So she's a long one. Absolutely stunning. I just want to take a closer look at the texture of the hair. It mimics African American hair. It mimics like a silk press, a blown out hair. Okay, so it's giving realness right now. And obviously she is thick from the root to the lace cap all the way to the end, as you can see. Let's get into the lace. I have the lace right here. The knots are small. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It's giving natural. Look at the hairline as well. The plucking in the hairline is amazing. This is a really easy wig, honestly. If you're a beginner with lace fronts and applying lace wigs, this is definitely the wig for you, honestly. Honestly. And she looks real. But before we put her on, I just want to show you the insides. So this is what we have here. What I like about this wig is that there is no clips. There's no clips on the side, not in the center. So it's going to lay really flat, which I like. Normally when I get my wigs and I see all these clips that's inside, I normally just take it out because I want my hair to lay flat as possible. The only clip that you get, it's in the back. Okay, and then you do have your adjustable mini band right here to adjust the wig to your liking. Because my head is pretty small, so we're going to tighten her up a little bit. Now I adjusted the hair to my liking because I want it to be really tight. With wigs, you always want to make sure that you're adjusting your wigs to your liking. One thing about this wig is that it is all head sizes friendly. Okay, so if you guys are worried about having a small head, like myself, I have a small head, it fits perfectly. If you have a medium-sized head that you feel like you have a medium-sized head, it will fit. If you have a large head, it will fit. I promise you, it definitely fits. Now, because it doesn't have all of the clips that's inside, I feel like this is laying flat. Hold on, let me just push this wig lace all the way to the front. Perfect. So now you guys can see how it looks like. We did not put any glue on whatsoever. It's just me putting the hair. So this hair is, she's the one. She's the one, okay? And honestly, girl, minimum shedding. She is nice, shiny, She's thick. There's no spaces in between the hair at all. We didn't even style her yet. Very nice. This is the hair as she is. All right, so now we're going to lay the edges. I am a very simple person. I don't really do anything extravagant to my hair at all. I just use Gots to Be glue, and then that's it. I'm taking my Gots to Be glue spray. That's all I do, okay? That's all your girl do. And we're spraying her down. And I take a rat tail comb and press it down. And we do it in increments. I don't know if you see how the lace is melting. See how the lace is melting as I go. Okay, gonna keep going. And I just press it into the skin. So this is how she's looking like. This is where my wig cap is, which is fine. We're gonna fix it up with makeup. This is so cute. We're just going to help that settle in. I just want that glue to set, you know what I mean? Perfect. I'm gonna leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so let me let this melt a little bit and I will be right. All right, guys, I am back. So let's see how she looks like. It's been about 10 minutes. Just. So I did my makeup, so I'm just gonna put bronzer here. So I'm taking my Benefit Hoola in Caramel, and we're just gonna run that along the lace just to match my bronzer. She's looking more and more natural. I'm gonna take my face powder and I'm just going to run it down the lace in the center. Taking my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless powder. You guys know I love this. This is in the shade Tan. Already hit pan. I'm using every little drop of her. I'm taking a little brush and then I'm just running it down the lace as much as I can. There she is. Now the hair has been traveling to get to me, obviously, so there's a little bit of kinks, as you may know. So we're gonna flat iron the hair. It takes flat iron up to, I would say, 420 to 450 degree heat, which is amazing. Not a lot of hair or wigs can handle this much heat, but this wig definitely can. This is such an easy wig. You don't need to put in a lot of effort in this wig, okay? So this is how it's taking the flat iron. As you can see the difference. Let me show you. So you see the difference here? Bone straight, no product, just bone straight. So we're gonna do this side of the hair so we can match this side. So this is the hair straightened, center part straightened. Let's see if she could hold a curl. Let's see. taking a curl really nicely. Mind you, I have no product, so we'll see how everything turns out once I do everything. But let me get off camera so I could finish it. It could take a while. So I'm going to finish off the curls and I'll come back on and show you how it looks like. So I don't really do much with the curls. I'm not a hairstylist or anything. I'm just feeding the curls. So I just open it, feed, roll. Once I get to the tip, I turn it and then feed it one last time. And then that's pretty much it. That's all I do. I'm not really doing much. Taking an old school curling iron and then that's that, you know? So this is how the hair looks curled. Obviously she takes a curl super, super nicely. Very, very nice. So there she is. What do you guys think? The curls came out really nice. Mind you, no product. Just curled it a little bit just to give her a little body yaddy, and this is how she came out. The hair is beautiful. It is super thick. The lace is lacing. All right, the lace is lacing. Now let's try something else. I feel like I'm in the mood to play around with stuff. So I want to play around with the part. Maybe do a side. What do you guys think? Should we do a side? Yeah, why not? So this is how she looks with a side part, and I absolutely love it. Look at the body now. So this is the parting. So you get a lot of parting space. All right, she is back in the center part and still has the body intact, combed it out a little bit. Love it. Love the hair. Didn't trim it, didn't cut it, didn't put any layers. Like I literally did nothing to the hair but curl it and switch out the sides. Like it's a low effort wig, low maintenance as well, which I really like. And guys, the hairline is hairlining like it's like I just I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That's pretty much it. Everything you need to know about this hair will be down in the description box down below. If you are interested in purchasing this hair or anything from Klaiyi's website, check out my description box. If you ever purchase anything from Klaiyi, let me know in the comments down below. I really want to know what your thoughts and opinion on the hair. I love it. And every time I get a wig from them, it just gives. It just gives and it's easy. Like I said, one of my favorite hair companies to work with. So I'll see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye.